Hey guys, also me, with Eve, made me something really cool. This is my realistic dragon. Speed paint for Dragon Sister, bro, I saw it, what's up account? Yeah, let's watch it. Okay. This is my sister. Ooh, nails! I think I'm actually paint my nails with flowers. Thank you so much. I know how you know your nails so more. I think it's Spanish or we speak Spanish or I don't know. Every time in school I write enemy eyes. Just black and white. She got my eye color he wanted. It's the hard work you want. You have a hard work. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's so beautiful. Well, it's about my brother have a dragon because his favorite dragon might as well be a dragon too. And she got my hair color. And the weekend I used to have purple hair, but in the bath it like turned to purple. It was really cool. The skin color. I meant my favorite color. Oh my god. Black, I am my favorite black. Oh my god. Black. Forgot the nose. I don't care. I even don't care, right? And I like the hand too. Always put them on the care to the light. And booze. I like some sunflower. I always put sunflowers, I really don't care. Okay, I just want to take a picture. Oh my god. Well, here's the part yeah. This is my village dragon. This is me in a window. I am scared, gotta stop the video. Well, my friends, two friends, Jordan and Billy, and well, she's a dog, and he's but his favorite animal was scorpion, so I cut it. There was no scorpion animals, so I used a monster. He loves really monsters. I really don't care. We always like black or blue. And we don't like pink. But it's my brother's birthday. He's 13 now. Thank you with Eve. You're still the best. Thank you. Just next time you can draw my brother as a dragon. That's just dragon human. Yeah. It's amazing. Okay. Bye guys.